Hello guys, my name is Mazlan. Today I'm going to talk about Vertex. Vertex is a program for creating a marketing video made ultra simple by the creator. Vertex uses pre-made videos to drive floods of free buyers traffic without ever getting on camera or creating content. The key word here is pre-made. It's all made and you can adjust according or redesign according to your requirement. Thousands of pre-made marketing videos are ready to be deployed. First of its kind traffic solution. Vertex has access to 80 plus premium traffic sources instantly, built for beginners. We can say it as ultra simple. You give 100% result guarantee or your money back. So today, get the lowest price of Vertex. So now let's watch the demo video by the creator, Marsh Bari. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Vertex demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the software. So after logging into the software, you will see the dashboard look like this, and you can see the left sidebar here the features of the software. So there are some features which is only the upgrade only features, as like example you can see that the block feature, the DFI templates, and the agency feature, which will come only with the OTO upgrade. So first you can see the templates section. So you can see a lot of templates here. You can use any of them. So let's select on template and let's dive into it. So if you select a template, you will see a editor page in another tab. So you can edit the template as like your own choices. So here you can see the tools. You can change the design, you can add videos, you can add image, you can add text, you can add elements, you can add filters, or you can add audio, and you can add layers. So this is how you can edit your template, and after editing the template you need to download the template and you need to save the template. So after selecting or editing a template, it will find in the My Design section. So let's go to the My Design section. So here you can see the templates. So from here you can delete the template or you can edit the template again. So after that you can see the Social Blast section. So from here you can share your project into the social media accounts. So you can use any of these or you can share all of them. So you can see, so you just need to select your project and you have to share it with any of these social media account. So you can see that there is no project as I didn't create any project yet. So after that you can see the upgrade only features, which is blog, DFI templates, and agency. So we'll talk about this later. And after that you can see the training section. So from here you can find the training videos of this software. After that the upgrades tab, so you can know about the upgrades from here, and after that you can see the support section. So if you have any issue with the software, you can contact us through the support section. You just need to create a ticket or submit a ticket to us, so we'll solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this demo video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.